how to solve this account can no longer use WhatsApp. In order to solve this account can no longer use WhatsApp, you have to immediately request a review within a WhatsApp or within an app, appeal by email to support, or wait for a temporary ban to expire. So basically, if you believe your account was banned by mistake, you can request a review directly from the app. What you want to do is open up your WhatsApp, tap the three dot at the top right, go to settings, and there you simply want to scroll down. You could find help, tap the three dot, and you can select settings. You then want to go to your profile initials. You could find your help section over here, or you could go to account center, and you want to submit a request stating that your account has been mistakenly banned or that there was a mistake, something like that, and provide the details to support your keys. That means you can take a photo or a screenshot, and that is how you can solve this account can no longer use WhatsApp, or you might have to wait for 24 to 48 hours in order to lift the ban as well. So that's all. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.